In front of me is Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Then click on any password that you wish to check, enter your current login method, and use this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!